Hi everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury. Today, we're taking a nostalgic ride back to the early 60s with this, an American original. This is the 1964 Willys Station Wagon, a vehicle that paved the way for the modern SUV. Let's explore what made this rugged classic so special, inside, outside, and under the hood. Exterior. When it comes to style, the 1964 Willys Station Wagon is all function over flash, and that's exactly what gives it its charm. Designed by industrial designer Brooks Stevens, this body style remained largely unchanged from its debut in 1946, making it the longest-running post-war automotive design in America. The front end is unmistakably Willys. You've got that classic vertical grille with 9 slots, circular headlights, and flat fenders that scream utility. The two-tone paint scheme, cream and forest green in this model, was a popular option back then, helping it stand out on suburban streets or muddy trails. Out back, the barn door-style tailgate opens wide, making it easy to load up gear, groceries, or even lumber. Simple steel wheels and chunky tires complete the off-road ready look. Interior. Inside, the Willys Station Wagon keeps it basic, but there's a certain rugged elegance here. Bench seating in both rows, upholstered in vinyl, offers room for up to 7, depending on the configuration. You're not getting luxury here, but you are getting durability. The metal dash is painted to match the body, the gauges are minimal, just speed, fuel, temp, and the steering wheel. Big, simple, and built like a ship's helm. Fold down the rear seats and you've got a generous cargo area. Whether you're heading to a campsite or the hardware store, this wagon was designed to handle it all. Performance. Under the hood, you'll likely find one of 2 engines. The Super Hurricane, inline 6 or the more common F-head, Hurricane, 4-cylinder engine. This model is equipped with the 134.2 cubic inch F-head, producing about 75 horsepower. It's not going to win any drag races, but that's not the point. This thing was made for low-speed torque and reliability. It's paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, often with an optional overdrive. The ride is stiff by today's standards, leaf springs all around, but on gravel or dirt, it shines. 4-wheel drive versions, like this one, made it a favorite for farmers, ranchers, and outdoorsmen. You can hear everything: the wind, the tires, the engine working. It's not refined, but it's honest. And in a way, that's refreshing. The 1964 Willys Station Wagon wasn't built for comfort, it was built to work. And that's exactly why it earned a place in automotive history. It was one of the first vehicles to truly blend utility with passenger transport. In fact, you could argue this is one of the earliest true SUVs. Simple, tough, and incredibly iconic, the Willys Station Wagon reminds us that sometimes, less really is more. If you enjoyed this trip back in time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. What classic car should we feature next? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.